Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Outlook.
How to search and filter email messages in Microsoft Outlook. Search in Microsoft Outlook is a very powerful tool that helps us to find and locate email messages. Microsoft Outlook allows us to use search keywords, email addresses, names, and many more so we can quickly and easily locate messages. In the title bar of Microsoft Outlook is located the search pane, where once we click on it, the drop-down menu appears where we are notified that we have suggested searches and suggested actions to be done. We can ignore them if we want to do a specified search. Once our cursor blinks in the search bar, the Search tab gets activated. The Search tab is separated into different areas. The area Refined. In this area, we can specify our criteria for searches. We can either use one or a combination of criteria to search. The commands are from, subject, has attachments, categorize, sent to, unread, flagged, important, and more. The area scope. We can define in where the searching will take place. We can select from all mailboxes, current mailbox, the one that is activated at the moment, current folder. If we have activated a specific folder in our mailbox, subfolders. If we have activated a specific subfolder in our mailbox, all Outlook items. The search will take place in all the Outlook items. The area results. In this area, we can also include deleted items in the search results. The area options. In this area, we can see all the recent searches that we have done. We also have available the Search Tools command where we can include all the results, indexing status, locations to search, advanced find, find public folder, and search options. And the close area where we just close the search. We have all these available search options to use in Microsoft Outlook, which helps us to never miss a message.
Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed what you saw in this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free and let me know by heading down to the comment section.